Holy cow, we got 3 bitter soft drinks going on here. What is this?
These are bitters, bottled, and this is by For Bitter for Worse. We've got 3 different ones that we're trying today. So we're starting with Eva's Spritz. This is lightly sparkling. It has tart rhubarb, citrus, and it is herbaceous.
Yeah, with 12 botanicals. So I'm a big fan of rhubarb. Love rhubarb. Whoa.
That's tasty.
It's definitely tasty. It wants to have something else.
So I chose a recipe off the website, and we're going to mix it up with some frozen strawberries. So let me go grab that.
This is called a what?
This is called an Eva's Spritz. And I froze some of the Eva's Spritz and then added in frozen strawberries and then some more Eva's Spritz and a little bit of tonic water or soda water and a little bit of sage simple syrup. It's very refreshing. It's perfect for this hot day.
Yeah,
I really like it.
Love a combination of strawberry and rhubarb also. Well,
yeah, that's a dessert right there. It's yummy. I do still get the earthy note at the end.
Yeah.
I still get that.
Yeah, it's a beautiful drink though. You would love to serve this at a backyard party. Preferably on a hot day so you don't get brain freeze.
Yeah, but it's refreshing and this is definitely a favorite right now. Tasty.
Not too sweet.
Not too sweet. Yeah, this has a little bit of monk fruit in it for a sweetener. And then we have the gentian root, rhubarb root, hibiscus, angelica root, dandelion root, yeah, and then bitter orange. So you definitely get lots of dark, earthy notes in it, but it's not overwhelming.
No. Now the bitter is probably coming from what, the bitter orange?
Bitter orange and some of those darker, roots. And yeah, it's 50%, 56% juice. These are all sample sizes, right? These are not the actual size. They come in regular size bottles. I just wanted to try all 3.
Yeah, that's a treat. That one little bottle can go a long ways. Oh my gosh. Okay.
All right. We have 2 more. Part 2, the Saskatoon.
According to their copy, it's imagine hiking through an old growth forest, tin cup in hand. Okay. Bright young Douglas fir tips and juicy Saskatoon berries mingle with a bitter botanical. Saskatoon, I never knew that was a berry. Okay.
Cheers.
Douglas fir finish, they say.
Yeah, I can see that. It has a menthol-y flavor almost at the end.
Yeah, does this also have the gentian root in it? Yeah. That earthy.
It definitely has earthy. It's definitely deeper than the Eva's Spritz. All right, so we're going to make orange juice, lime juice, sage, simple syrup, and you're going to mix that up. The Saskatoon. This has more rhubarb. It's mostly organic white grape concentrate and Saskatoon juice. And some apple cider vinegar.
Never heard of Saskatoon as a berry. That's so... looks glorious.
Okay.
All right.
Cheers. It
Cheers.
looks like a Bloody Mary to me. Whoa.
The orange really goes well with it.
Yeah, the citrus works really nicely.
Sage and orange.
Sage and orange. Yeah, this is definitely a fall cocktail right here.
Yeah, and this is totally drinkable.
Yeah, gulpable.
Gulpable. Yeah.
I feel like I need to put, instead of sage simple syrup, even though I like that flavor, I need to put like jalapeno in here and really make it like a Bloody Mary. I think that would I think that.
Yeah, even though it's not savory, but it would
Yeah.
still be nice to have some heat in there.
Mm-hmm. Wow. I mean, it is on the sweet side.
Yeah. I'm totally cool with that. You did put in, what, orange mango?
I did put orange mango, actually. You're right. I didn't just do orange juice. I had an orange mango blend.
So maybe the mango's bumping it.
Maybe the mango. Do something here, too.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a brunch drink right there. Love it. Love it.
Okay.
All right, Saskatoon. I would definitely get that one again.
For sure.
Mm-hmm. And we're back for number 3, Smoky number 56 from For Bitter, For Worse.
And this is Dreaming of Oaxaca is the drink we're going to make.
Mm-hmm. It is apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, spices, fig concentrate, orange peel, lapsang shochu. Mm-hmm. That should be good. Some sea salt, some more gentian root. So that's a common theme for all 3 of these is gentian root, decaffeinated black tea, dandelion root, and some more bitter orange. So this sounds really tasty. Let's try it on its own first.
They say whiskey lovers will appreciate the spirit-free cocktail.
Mm-hmm. Cheers.
Whoa, you can already smell barbecue.
It's the last saying. It's the last saying. So chewing is really intense right off the bat.
Mm-hmm. That sweet.
Holy crap.
Wow. Yeah, it tastes like barbecue sauce.
It's the apple cider vinegar barbecue sauce. It's very savory. I really enjoy this. It's sweet though.
Mm-mm.
I've got the lime juice in here to counterbalance that sweetness. So
this is called Dreaming of Oaxaca.
That's right, Dreaming of Oaxaca. So I'm assuming this is their take on a margarita. So I've got a jalapeno orange, simple syrup in here, lime juice, and we're gonna add in Smoky number 56. Yes, all of it. These are just sample bottles.
Boy.
And I put a little salty tagine around the edge. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow.
That is intense.
It is. Woo. It's like really sweet, and then you get all the sour right at the end.
And the saltiness.
And then salty, yeah. I mean, I would put this in the category of a margarita, but it's not what my mind immediately thinks of. It's something different because it's so savory.
Yeah, for me, not really margarita at all. Especially with all that barbecue flavor.
You still getting the smokiness.
Yeah.
I mean, I get the smokiness, but I don't get barbecue anymore the way it was just like straight.
With the combo of the sweet and the salt and the smoky flavor, I think is what's triggering that.
Yeah, with the vinegar, I can see that.
One thing it would make me want to do though is use it as a barbecue marinade. I have barbecue brain. Yeah, it's really intense. It kind of feels like it could have some, I don't know, Topo Chico or something in it.
Yeah, if you wanted to have it more like a refreshing spritz, you can definitely split this in half and just use some soda water in there. I feel like this would work really well with barbecue chicken or anything from the grill, and it would be a really good cocktail for that kind of food, or anything on the heavier side. That sweet saltiness works well with maybe even just bar food, like fried anything.
Absolutely.
That is definitely one of my favorites, but I feel like the Saskatoon is stealing the show right now. I would definitely get another bottle of that one.
So drinkability of each one of these guys, Saskatoon's the one that's
I mean, that's a 9 for me. The smoky is really good. I can see using this to add smokiness to other cocktails as a mixer rather than just drinking it straight on its own. So that one I give it a good solid 8. And then the Eva Spritz, it was tasty. It was great as a frozen strawberry drink. I don't make those that often, but I would get it again.
Yeah.
And that would be probably a 7 to me. Thank you For
Thanks.
better, for worse.
For better or for worse.